Most roof repairs start at a joint rather than out in the middle of a slope. Water finds chimney flashing, a roof-to-wall transition, a valley, or the seal around a vent pipe. A repair rebuilds the part that failed, while the rest of the covering still sheds water. We reseal and replace flashing, patch shingle fields, reset slipped or cracked tile, and cut out decking that has gone soft. Tile repair stays inside a defined area of the roof. We reset pieces that have slipped, swap the cracked ones, and rebuild the flashing inside that area. Clay, concrete, and slate all break differently, so we work tile by hand. A repair should match what is already up there, or the patch shows at the joins. Older Pasadena houses often carry material that has left the market. We settle a discontinued profile before we order anything, and salvage from a hidden slope can fill a visible one. We repair when the failure is local and the roof around it still sheds water. We replace when the covering has failed across the building. Your roof's actual condition decides that, not a rule of thumb. Call Pasadena Roofing Contractors with the address and what you can see at 626-240-1360.